guest is showing us how you can throw your own Barbie-themed party complete with some tasty treats
yes,
that I'm
please.
ready to dive into.
So joining us live this morning is Lindsey Peers, owner of The Craft Studio and crafting and party space for people of all ages.
Woo.
Yes, please. Hello, Lindsey.
Welcome to the party.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. Let's party.
Yes,
okay.
please.
So I have so many tips and tricks to throw a fab Barbie party for dollars. Like anybody can do this.
Yes, please. Sign me up for it.
Yes.
You've created this beautiful spread. You did this?
Yes.
I mean, I guess it is your
brain?
job. Yes. All right, so take us through it. I don't even, where to begin?
Okay, first of all, decor. I have 2 little girls, and I was like, what can we use that we have? Barbie car is our centerpiece
You took this
with the
from their
flowers.
toy box.
I did.
Flores.
They don't know.
Oh,
Don't tell my little girl. She'll be like, Mom.
Mom, that's mine.
So I wrapped the flowers in paper towels so they stayed moist and just shoved them in there. So cute.
I mean, that is gorgeous.
Right? I upcycled these little pool drink holders.
I recognize those,
and
yes.
They're so
from
inexpensive.
Like every bachelorette party, yeah.
Right? And then I threw the
And you
Barbies
just
in
put
there.
Barbie in.
Right?
She's a little centerpiece.
And then, I don't know if you can see, but on the front, I took tutus, or you could use fabric tulle from a fabric store, command stripped on.
Yes.
And then you can go online. Again, we're not reselling this, but you can find Barbie clip art images or whatever.
Love it.
All I did was print them out and traced them, and I punched holes and made the cute
Into
little
the
Barbie
tutus.
silhouette.
Oh.
You see? So easy and fun.
Adorable.
Right?
I mean, the creativity.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing for my 50th birthday party.
Right?
I'm calling Lindsey.
Woo!
And then we're coming.
We're gonna
And
have a
this whole
blast.
thing.
We
yes.
have to address the elephant in the room.
What?
The smell of sugar. You
Oh
cannot
my
have a
goodness.
party without treats.
We're lucky any of this made it here because I wanted to eat it all morning. Okay, so my tip, when you throw a party, you can have a fab dessert table that looks like a designer put together, but you just use grocery store items.
Store-bought stuff.
You know those little snack cakes?
Yeah.
I sliced the
Yeah.
Swiss rolls.
Yeah,
Look at
yeah,
the
yeah.
cute pink for Barbie. Stuck lollipop sticks in the snowballs. We got the zingers. I topped like the little cupcakes with my kids' Barbie toys
stuff?
that I
Oh
washed,
my
don't worry.
God.
And ring pops.
They're waking up. Where'd all my toys go?
They're like, Mom!
Oh, they're on TV.
Paper towel roll for the
Oh
pink
my
donuts.
gosh.
So easy and cute.
You know,
My
Mana-
mind has just been blown.
Mana could have
Right?
used this instead of spending all that money on the baby's party.
Right? And then look, ice cream cones and like the pastel cotton
Oh.
candy. So cute.
How adorable is this?
Unwrapped ring pops in a jar. I mean, so much fun, right?
Oh my goodness. Okay,
Just
so
peruse the aisles and see what's on
Oh, this
theme and
is
how
so
you can
cute.
elevate it.
you've had your party. You have your party. You've
Yes.
decorated.
Yes.
You've provided treats.
Yes.
Do we have an activity
So many
to entertain our
activities.
guests?
Okay, so I made you both a pair. This is such a fun activity. You set out beads and the cute little Barbie shades, and they use a paintbrush and tacky glue,
Stop
and
it.
they personalize their own glasses. How cute, right?
So this is the party we came to. I can
Yeah.
put those things
I know,
on.
I'm showing Hector.
That's such a fun. And then,
Oh
of course, we all love, we've
my
seen the Barbie box moments.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, I duct tape. Take a box, wrap it around with some
They
pink
make duct
They
tape
make
and
duct
hot
tape in
pink.
every
Yes.
single color. I did know
Yeah.
that. I mean,
Throw in-
what a time
throw
to
in
be
some
alive.
boas for them to dress up and stand in it. And then this is my favorite. You can really get everybody excited and having fun, maybe after some of, you know, the pink rosé we're going to hear
Yes,
about.
ma'am.
To get them to do a Barbie relay race where they have to take on and off high heels and put a boa on and
That's
race in 2 teams to the other
Or
end.
they have to guess how many Barbie's shoes are in there.
Yes, I even forgot about that. How
Lindsey
cute,
Peers,
right?
you are a gem to end all
Thank you
gems.
This is
so
the best
much.
party I've ever
Joining
been to.
Oh my gosh, thanks for
You
having
can visit
me.
the Craft Studio at their locations on the Upper East Side in Tribeca or in Brooklyn.
Yay.
I mean,
Lindsey, I love you. Thank you so
bury
much.
me in
You guys
pink
are so
boas
much
and
fun.
personalized
I want to hang out
sunglasses.
here all day.
You
with
can.
can.
Stick around. Barbie.